Can you guess the Italian brain rot character only by their background? Who is this brain rot animal? Tung 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 sahur. Can you guess who this is? Ballerina cappuccina. Which Italian brain rot is this? Trallallero trallallà. Who is this brain rot animal? Bombardiro crocodilo. Share and tag a friend that looks like a ballerina cappuccina. Which Italian brain rot is this? Lirili larila. Like the video if that was easy. Do you know who this is? Capu capu cappuccino assassino. Guess this brain rot animal. Giraffa celeste. Do you know who this is? Tracotucotulu de la Peladustuz.